share with you. We're gonna test tonight 2 Trekology sleeping pads. What else we have? We have some pillows.
Yes.
We have the Trekology table. We have the Trekology chairs. We have a solar charger. We have 2 Alpha Outpost boxes to show you. So please stay tuned. I'm gonna try to do it in one part of the video. It might be more than one. And you could always check out No Way Back. That's his YouTube channel, and he'll have an alternative view of this weekend's island camping. All right, guys, as you can see, I have nowhere to put my beer. So let's go ahead and set up this medium-sized Trekology folding camping table. Trekology has some of my favorite gear. And this particular size I don't take on my motorcycle. If you watch my other videos, motorcycle camping videos, because it's a little bit too big, and there's a smaller one which is perfect. Now we can start setting up. Next up is a Trekology chair. Put these up right here in these little pockets that hold the poles. Very simple. It's like setting up a tent. Takes no time at all. It's a pretty big chair for being so compact. Guys, I'll put a link to all these things in my video description, so check it out. This little spreader bar here just basically holds the back of your head or your upper back. You put this at the bottom of the chair. Maybe I'll just put it anyways, and it'll stop the chairs from sinking into the sand. See? Kelty Grand Mesa tent. It might be a 2-person tent, but it's more like a 1.5 person. Let's just watch him build a little bit. All right, so it's about 80 degrees down here in South Florida, way South Florida. So no sleeping bag, just a sheet and the new Trekology sleeping pads. Let me show you what they are right now. Okay, Hernan, here are the sleeping pads. This is the Aloft Trekology. This one you have to blow it up like you wanted to do.
Sure.
It's not going to be a girl, it's just a pad.
Oh, shit.
And this is the self-inflating.
Nice.
So we're gonna,
size of
yeah, it's very, very compact. Even this one.
Yep.
Yeah. You can just already hear it sucking air in. There's a foam inside of this pad that's just expanding slowly but surely. And then we could probably add a little bit more air if you need it. So let's just go ahead and put it down in the tent and let it inflate over a few minutes. All right, here we have the Trekology Aloft Pillow Deluxe, designed in Oregon, made in China. Very nice and compact, soft. And here we have the Trekology Inflatable Pillow. You've probably seen this one in my other videos. This is a new one they have. What do you think of this camping pillow?
I like that one.
Yeah? Nice and soft?
My sleeping bag had one, it was no good. So I definitely advise it.
Okay. Very nice material, soft. I like it. And now I'm still working on the tent and his sleeping pad, his pillow. And that's it. After that, a beer. We're gonna set up the campfire. We're gonna make caveman tacos, Hernan. Caveman. And you're not too far from being a caveman, physically.
Right there.
Yeah, here you are. I extended this invitation to the whole team.
Yes.
And here we are, just me and you.
Everybody chicken up.
Yeah, too hot, mosquitoes, no-see-ums.
You know, so far it's no rain, no mosquitoes. It's not hot. I mean, it's warm,
It's
not
warm.
hot.
It's not hot, yeah. It's
Yeah.
overcast, yeah.
Yes, very nice.
It's a nice breeze.
Yes.
But sometimes
And
it's better this way.
food is gonna be amazing.
It is going to be. And we have extra food. It's such
Yeah,
a shame that we
hopefully.
can't share it with anybody. But we'll see. We'll
Yeah,
see.
I'm gonna brought a ton of beers. You know, expecting somebody to show up, but hey,
Whatever. Maybe they'll come
we're gonna
tomorrow
have to
morning.
drink. We have to drink it.
Yeah, we'll drink it.
Yeah.
Slowly but surely.
Yes. Nice. Oh, you did that. Oh, okay.
So yeah, I have this this bag to make it easier to fill it up with air.
Probably.
Yep.
Let's see.
And we just, yep, there you go. Genius, man. Genius.
Yes, this is beautiful. I love it.
Yeah.
Good. That's good there. Goes into the tent. And Heineken cherries up.
There you go, baby. That's it. It's almost time to relax.
Yes.
Which setting are you gonna go?
Yeah,
Two?
probably two. Then we'll see.
And now this is the solar charging kit that I wanted to show you.
Okay, we need some now.
Yeah, I'm thinking about trying it even in this low light.
Yes.
See if we get a little trickle charge at least.